Exciting news! A total solar eclipse is set to grace the skies on April 8, 2024, across the United States. And guess what? You can capture the perfect eclipse picture using just your smartphone. Here's how. First, switch off the flash before totality to avoid ruining the pixels and obstructing the view. Then remember not to zoom in on the eclipse, as this can reduce picture quality. Instead, go super wide angle or portrait to capture the whole horizon. During totality, lock focus at the right time with the right amount of brightness. And don't forget to use burst mode to increase your chances of capturing the perfect picture, especially during the diamond ring moment. Lastly, consider shooting totality in raw image format to retain the original sensor data. And if you prefer video, use a tripod for a hands-free experience. So get ready to witness this breathtaking event and capture it in all its glory with your smartphone. Happy eclipse photography! Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness and preserve the magic of the total solar eclipse. Join us and unlock the secrets to smartphone eclipse photography.